Hi guys, so I am back with another video, and firstly I want to start with thanking all of you for such an overwhelming response. Honestly, I did not expect it. Now I feel that I have an extended family on YouTube. When you guys like really made my day by so many congratulatory wishes. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you everyone for extending your wonderful wishes to me. And I really feel blessed that there are so many people who are happy for my success. Now I know that you guys are eagerly waiting for the phase 2 strategy video because I have already put a strategy video on phase 1. If you have not seen, you can go and watch by clicking on the link. Uh, Regarding phase 2 video, I have started working on it, but those who know about this exam, those who have done their research, know that it is a very elaborate topic, and I really want to make a good comprehensive video, so it is gonna take time. आप लोगों को पता है, I'm a working candidate. I have limited time in my hand, so please bear with me. You have to give me some time for that. In this video, I am going to help you uh, by answering a few of your questions. I saw a lot of common questions in the comment section as well as on other platforms that people were asking me. So I'll try to address those questions और ना जो थोड़ी myths हैं around the RBI preparation कि कौन कर सकता है कौन नहीं कर सकता है किसका सिलेक्शन होता है किसका सिलेक्शन नहीं होता है. आई वॉन्ट टू हेल्प यू इन दैट. तो इस वीडियो में हम मेनली वही जो इनिबिशंस हैं जो हमारे बिलीफ सिस्टम को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं टू go with full flow for the preparation. So we are going to discuss that. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first comment was from Narayan Yadav. So please make video on avoid mistakes while preparing and how to clear this exam in the first attempt. So Narayan, see, मेरा YouTube पे जो ये मैं वीडियोस बना रहा हूँ या जो मैं जितना भी मैं कंटेंट शेयर करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, द मेन रीज़न इज़ because I have a long journey of 3 years. I don't want you to have such a long journey. So I'm sharing my experience for you to find learnings in those experiences and see how you can improvise your strategy by using those experiences so that you don't make the same mistakes. Now, what are the, as you said, the common mistakes? I don't think we need a separate video for it. I can simply address the common mistakes to you. सबसे पहली कॉमन मिस्टेक है not having the belief that you are going to clear it in the first attempt. So firstly, have that confidence from starting of phase 1 that you will clear all the phases up till interview in your first attempt only. Second is that waiting for the notification to come. Don't wait for the notification to come. If you are a serious aspirant, if you dream of getting into RBI, start your preparation now. Don't wait कि यार notification कब आएगा मैं उसके बाद start करूँगा preparation. No. If you are a serious aspirant, do it right now. Okay, so these are the common mistakes कि आप believe नहीं करते हो. You wait for the notification to start your preparation. You take English lightly. Yeah, English is going to be in phase 1. English is going to be in phase 2. English as a medium of if you are appearing for your interview in English, is going to be the medium of the interview. So you have to see that the importance of English. तो English को lightly लेना and finance जैसे topics को over stress करना, especially those who are from non-finance background, giving too much time to finance. Okay, so moving to the next question. Okay, so Nitesh Kumar has asked, sir 2020 में RBI grade B notification आएगी क्या? See, I have told it in my first video also that no exam pandit, nobody knows that when is the notification going to come. Okay, everybody is making guesses. Only RBI HRMD knows when they are going to recruit for the new batch. ठीक है, ये चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान में रखना कि जो फैक्ट्स हैं फोकस ऑन दोज. अभी ये रिक्रूटमेंट साइकिल भी कंप्लीट होने वाली है, रिजल्ट्स आ चुके हैं फाइनली, अभी ज्वाइनिंग आ जाएगी विद इन 2-3 months मैक्सिमम. राइट, देयर इज़ अ मैन पावर क्रंच, देयर आर पीपल रिटायरिंग फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ये सब फैक्ट्स हैं. हर साल नोटिफिकेशन आता है, डेफिनेटली इस साल भी आएगा. नाउ इट इज़ ऑलरेडी डिलेड 2019 बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड पैंडमिक. तो अभी हम लोग अक्टूबर एंड में बात कर रहे हैं. सो मे बी 2-3 months में So Jan 2021 या Feb max Feb तक you can expect a notification. So don't wait for the notification. Start your preparation now. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि जो स्टैटिक टॉपिक्स हैं एटलीस्ट वो तो कवर कर ही लो बिफोर योर नोटिफिकेशन. ऑलराइट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सर क्या आरबीआई ग्रेड भी यूपीएससी वाले ही निकाल सकते हैं या ऑलरेडी बैंक में जॉब वाले ही निकाल सकते हैं? ओके, तो ये इट्स अ कॉमन एनिमेशन. आई अंडरस्टैंड प्रियंका व्हाट यू वांट टू से. ये एक इनसिक्योरिटी है जो सबको लगती है कि यार जो यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स होते हैं वो लोग ही क्लियर करते हैं, या जो लोग बैंक में होते हैं वो लोग ही क्लियर करते हैं. सी आई ऑलवेज से कि आप ना एग्ज़ाम जो है, एग्ज़ाम की नीड को पहचानो. व्हाट इज़ द नीड ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन. तो ये जो एग्जामिनेशन है इसमें जब फेज़ 1 आप क्लियर कर लेते हो, तो जो लोग फेज़ 1 क्लियर करते हैं नाउ बैंकिंग एस्पिरेंट्स आर यूज टू दैट क्वांट्स, रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश, ये सब सब्जेक्ट्स एप्टीट्यूड क्लियर करने के, तो इसलिए उनको वो एज मिलता है. ठीक है. Similarly, UPSC aspirants, because they have their static economics part covered and they are into the mode of reading a lot of current affairs, and they are also in the mode of doing long hours of study, sitting and studying for long hours. तो ये सब चीज़ें उनको हेल्प करती है इन RBI प्रिपरेशन एज वेल. ठीक है. ऐसे डायरेक्टली कोई बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट नहीं है, बट येस इनडायरेक्टली देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट. जो एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न में जो चीज़ें कॉमन है या जो चीज़ें एक दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैप करती हैं उसका बेनिफिट ज़रूर मिलता है. बट दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू कैन नॉट कम्पीट. बिकॉज मैं 3 साल से रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस फॉलो कर रहा हूँ. आई हैव एवरी ईयर सीन पीपल who are non-UPSC background, who are non-bankers, who come from the corporate, who come from technical fields, and they clear this exam. So trust me, don't have any of these inhibitions. Okay. Now, okay, so he has asked, don't say me you belong to engineering background. No, I do not belong to engineering background. I am a plain commerce graduate, and post that I did my MBA in marketing. So that is my educational background. I am not an engineer, and yes, it's not just that the engineers are only clearing banking exams. There are others as well. Okay, so Kamal has commented, dream to become RBI officer, but I don't think it is possible for me while working in Bank of India. लेकिन मैं कोशिश करके हारना चाहता हूँ एटलीस्ट फ्यूचर में. दुख नहीं होगा कि ट्राई नहीं किया. बाय द वे मैनी कांग्रेट्स सर. Kamal, hats off to your spirit that you really want to try, and you don't want to give up. I understand you must be really facing a lot of issues in your current job. Maybe that is why you are finding it very difficult to prepare along with your job. But trust me, हर साल बहुत लोग अपनी अपनी जॉब के साथ ही एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करते हैं. I am also working in a public sector bank, and I have cleared it with a full-time job, also performing in my job at the same time. So I would just request you to do not lose hope from the beginning. Think of it as an opportunity that this job should give you a lot of confidence that even if you don't clear, you have a job to fall back on. If you have family responsibilities, at least you have a job to take care of them. So I would suggest you take your leaves smartly, have good terms, good relationship with your boss, mentors, with your colleagues in your office, so that even if you are not there, तो वो लोग तुम्हारी हेल्प कर सकें. Create a very good cordial atmosphere in your office. Don't get into fights with anybody. क्योंकि अगर ना जो हम लोग जो एस्पिरेंट्स होते हैं ना, क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ काम नहीं करना है, हमें काम के बाद घर जाके पढ़ना भी है. तो अगर सुबह ऑफिस में एक छोटा सा झगड़ा हुआ है ना, तो पूरा दिन ना वो दिमाग में चलता है कि यार उसने मुझे ये बोला, मैंने उसे ये नहीं बोला. सो डोंट गेट इनटू दैट. सुबह when you in the morning when you go to your office, have this thing in mind that your priorities are different. For you, it is important that you have a calm mind, and at the end of the day when you reach home, you can switch off whatever happened in the office and you can start your preparation after a short break. All the best. Okay, so Diksha is again asking the same question. Are you already working in the bank? Yes, Diksha, I am working in a bank, a public sector bank, and I have a 4+ year experience in banking. Share your means, sir. Share your means as well as interview. Candidate without any economic background or without any job experience, is it difficult, especially main or interview? Please tell, sir. Okay, so Firstly, coming to the mains. Now, mains has got nothing to do with your job. All right. In mains, there are three subjects: ESI, FM, English. If you are good in ESI, if you are good in FM, if you are good in English, you can do it. Now, if you do not have an economic background, you can have that basic learning. Not very high fi economic is asked. You can visit the previous year questions, and you can check that very basic economics is asked in the exam. Your basically macroeconomics basic fundamentals should be clear. Okay, and for that you can pick up any one good book. I have read from Ramesh Singh. I think it is a very easy to read, easy to comprehend book. You can pick that up, and along with it, you can watch Mrinal sir's YouTube lectures, which are free. You can watch them. Your basics will be clear, and I think that is sufficient to start your preparation for RBI. Okay, now coming to the interview part. Now your job experience will definitely help you in interview part, because then you will have something to talk about. They will ask you about your uh, previous job experiences and how this can help you in RBI. But that is in no way a disadvantage to someone who does not have an experience. Even if you does not have an experience, you can talk about other things. What have you, what have been your academic qualifications? What have been your achievements? Maybe you might have some good hobbies. You can talk about that. See, I'll tell you, every year I've seen that in even this year, a lot of working aspirants as well as freshers have cleared this exam. So don't have this inhibition. There's no issue at all. If you want, just start your preparation. Go ahead. Okay, so one question is, am I eligible for RBI grade B after pursuing biology in class 11th and 12th? Okay, so again, I would like to reiterate this thing. If you are from biology, if you are from maths, if you are from arts, if you are from commerce, it does not matter. Just go through last year's RBI grade B notification. You need to be a graduate. You need to meet the percentage criteria as per your category. If you are from UR, you need to have that 60% plus. If you are from other categories, you need to have that kind of percentage in your graduation. It does not matter whether you are from biology. You can and you are eligible. Okay, so Pooja has a very good question. Sir, I'm unable to clear sectional cutoffs in phase 1 mock test, and the reason must be lack of clarity of basic concept. So, Pooja, you know the problem and you know the solution. Shall I start preparing for 2021, as it is October end and no time is left for preparing for each section of phase 1? Pooja, you should definitely target the next notification whenever it comes. And about phase 1, I think you are very mature because you know the problem and you know the solution. Now, when you have said and you have identified that you are not able to clear the sectional cutoffs, go back to your basics, pick up a good book, or pick up a good online YouTube channel wherever they are teaching you basic subjects like quant, reasoning, English. If you have problem in say quants, then I would suggest you can buy Quantum Cat book by Sarvesh Sharma. It has different level of exercises. If you are able to solve level 1 exercises, I think that is sufficient for RBI. उतने में RBI का level हो जाता है. For reasoning, you can pick up any good book like Arihant. If you are not comfortable with books and you want to practice online test, you can do that as well. And once you are clear with the basics, then again go into speed. Set timer for yourself and try to do 10 questions, 5 questions in that given 5 minutes or 4 minutes. So this will help you in increasing your speed. And once that is sorted, I think you can move on with your mock test, with your full length mock test. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so Anshu has asked, kindly tell which test series do you follow for RBI grade B and where I can get previous year question papers. So Anshu, I think for RBI grade B phase 1, practice mock is the best test series. I have used it in all 3 years, 2017, 2018 and 2019. Every time I had cleared phase 1, and I think the difficulty level mentioned in the practice mock test series was most relevant as per the RBI standards, because some coachings give, some institutes give really a very easy test and some give very high difficulty test, which is not the case in actual examination. In actual examination, you get a moderate difficulty level in RBI exams and I think that kind of papers you should practice. And it is advisable to have like 2 or 3 test series, so that you can have a test of varying difficulty levels. So in case अगर एग्जाम इजी भी आ जाएगा, so you'll be prepared for it, और अगर टफ भी आ जाएगा तो you'll be prepared for it. Okay, oh, you have another question also. Where can I get previous year question papers? So you can visit Anuj Jindel's website. Anuj sir has put up a lot of previous year questions. Obviously, you will not get full questions. It is a memory based paper because it's an online test and you don't get the question papers to take back. So every year, students collectively collate those memory based questions, and then coaching institutes, I think, complete the set based on the input that they get from the aspirants. So yes, you can visit Anuj Jindel's website and you will get it there. Okay, so kindly make a detailed video about how to prepare ESI for phase 2, please. Yes, I think it is very important topic. ESI is very critical and very difficult to study. Even I have found ESI to be the most difficult part of this examination. I will definitely include it in the phase 2 video. Okay, so there are a lot of misconceptions about government schemes and sources for covering ESI current affair. Kindly throw some light. ठीक है, अभी मैं इसको शॉर्ट में बता देता हूँ. Government schemes is a very important critical part, and how you should cover it is you should take any UPSC coaching PDF which is available for free. Vision AS की ले लो या PT 365 की, किसी का भी एक गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स का आप डॉक्यूमेंट ले लो. इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड 9500 और 100 प्लस 120-130 पेजेस होगा मैक्सिमम PDF which will include all your government schemes mostly, and that will be ministry wise. अब इसका क्या एडवांटेज है ना, दैट समटाइम्स यू गेट वेरी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस, लाइक अभी इस साल तो नहीं बट लास्ट ईयर दे जस्ट आस्क कि ये पर्टिकुलर जो गवर्नमेंट स्कीम है ये कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री से है, या उसमें जो भी एक्रोनिम्स यूज हुए हैं, जैसे आशा वर्कर है तो उसका क्या फुल फॉर्म है, या स्कीम को शॉर्ट में दे देंगे एंड दे लास्ट यू व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म, या इस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम का वेबसाइट क्या है. 2018 में ऐसा क्वेश्चन भी था कि ये इस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम का URL कैसा होगा. सो यू माइट गेट वेरी इजी फैक्ट बेस्ड स्मॉल क्वेश्चंस, और यू माइट ऑल्सो गेट a long question which will include the features like UPSC style, और उसमें कॉम्बिनेशन में ऑप्शंस दिए होंगे कि A and B, A and C, all of the above, none of the above. So then you have to be very careful. But overall कैसा होगा ना कि if you have read the facts, at least एक अगर गवर्नमेंट स्कीम आ गई तो उसमें से 5 क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे. 5 में से you will be able to easily answer 2, 3 और 4 क्वेश्चंस. एक कोई क्वेश्चन ऐसा होगा जो उसके बहुत इन डेप्थ पॉइंट्स पे बेस्ड होगा, एंड दैट ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव रेड अ स्कीम वंस यू माइट बी एबल टू पुट अ स्मार्ट गेस अराउंड इट. तो दिस इज हाउ यू गो अबाउट प्रिपेयरिंग गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स. नाउ ये एक जो डॉक्यूमेंट ले लिया, इसके एडिशनली जो फैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, जैसे ये स्कीम कब लॉन्च हुई थी, ये स्कीम कहाँ लॉन्च हुई थी, ये सब यू विल हैव टू गूगल सर्च, क्योंकि उतना रेडीमेड डेटा यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट. ठीक है, सो दैट इज हाउ यू गो अबाउट प्रिपेयरिंग गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स. एंड अदर सोर्सिंग ऑफ ESI current affair is, I think you need to pick up one monthly PDF, either pick up Vision AS and complement it with PIB. नाउ PIB का जो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है वो ये है दैट PIB का बहुत सारे नोटिफिकेशंस आते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू go through the entire notes to prepare, but I think that is the best way to prepare ESI current affairs. So make self notes, use coaching institutes magazines, but make self notes for ESI. Only then you can crack ESI. ESI में 3-4 चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट है. गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स हैं, रिपोर्ट्स, इंडेक्सेस, और आपका जो भी उसमें भी जो स्पेशली नीति आयोग या फिर जो वर्ल्ड बॉडीज़ है, वर्ल्ड बैंक, IMF, जो पॉपुलर बॉडीज़ हैं, वो जो भी रिपोर्ट्स डिक्लेयर करती है, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. या मूविंग ऑन. Sir, I'm also preparing for RBI Grade B, but I have no experience. What type of questions asked in interview probably? Okay, so I will make a separate video on my interview experiences, because I have like appeared for an interview twice now, 2018 experience and 2019 experience. Once the marks of 2019 are out, I can tell you the difference between how my interview went, how much I scored in 2018, how much I scored in 2019, and what was the difference in overall experience and my preparation in both these years. So that can be discussed in a separate video. But for now, just to give you a brief idea, interview में क्या होता है ना, there is a proper 5 to 6 panelists. Like last year there were 5 panelists and this year there were 6, and there are around 15 aspirants are called on one particular day, and then they are interviewed one by one. So you could be the first one to go, you could be the last one to go, or somewhere in the middle. Coming to the type of questions, so mostly the interview panel is very cordial. They will give you time to settle in, and they will ask you questions around your profile only. So you have to prepare about your profile. Like I was working in a bank, so my interview revolved around majorly around banking and what were the new things happening related to my profile, and what are the risks associated with it. So similar questions are asked. So it is majorly profile based or general awareness based, like whatever is happening in the recent news. Nothing to worry about. फाइनली निखिल हैज़ आस्क्ड, सर कुछ गुरु मंत्र मुझे भी बता दो भाई कि मेरा भी हो जाए. तो निखिल भाई, कोई गुरु मंत्र या शॉर्टकट तो नहीं है मेरे पास, but I can definitely tell you, if you really want this job, you have to work very hard, smartly. You have to strategize and work very hard, given lot of hours to your preparation, and definitely you can clear this exam. You will have to prepare really hard to compete with everybody, because the seats are very less in number and the competition is intense. So no shortcuts, only guru mantra is hard work, and that too smartly. Chalo, all the best guys, keep hustling, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.